morning, students. Good morning, students. Today I am going to teach you science chapter. Chapter name is fiber to fabric. In earlier classes you have studied about the how the fiber is converted into fabric. Fiber, first we have to take fiber. Fiber is converted into the thread material, and after that it converted into fabric. Fabric can be called the clothing materials. There are two types of fabric. First fabric is natural fabric, and second one is artificial fabric. It is also called the chemical fabric. The natural fabrics are also divided into two parts. First part is plant fabric and another is animal fabric. You have already studied in class 6 that about the cotton fabric and jute fabric, which are obtained from the jute plants and cotton plants, which are known as cotton fabrics. In this class we will study about the animal fabrics. Animal fabrics are those fabrics which are obtained from animals. That's wool and silks. Wool and silks are the animal fabrics. Wool are obtained from the dyeing of the animals, and silk is obtained from the cocoon of the woolen worms. Okay, that is the woolen worms. This is the animal fabrics are generally obtained from the animals like sheep, camels, goats, and rabbits. These are used for making woolen clothes that we have to wear in winter. That woolen clothes protects us from the heavy cold, which keeps us warm in winter season. Some of the best example of woolen clothes are shawl, jackets, and woolen clothes, which are help us to keep warm. Some of the best examples are pashmina shawl, which are very famous. If we see, there are some animals I will discuss about the animals who that like camel, yak, sheep, goats. These are found in hilly areas, which coat of wool are found. Now we are discussing about what are the process of wool fiber converted into fabric. We know that every fiber have to convert into fabric. There is some process. When the fiber is converted, first the fiber is converted into thread, and thread is converted into fiber. The fiber is the raw material. We can call the fiber is the raw material, and the thread is under process material, and fabric is processed. Finished product. This is known as the finished product. Now we can see what are the process of wool fiber is converted into fabric. First is shearing. We have to in this process shearing. In this process we have to first to have to rear the cattle, which have to that wool will be converted into heavy amount, or we can call it the coat of wool. We have used to big razor to save it, okay, and save it and have to collect it. Then the second process is showering. In this we have to clean the coat of wool, which we have to collect after the shaving, to clean their sweating and dirt and dust which have come during the shaving time, which have used the big razor due to big razor. Sorting. During that time, the size and shape of the wool is not same. It is different from one size to another size. We have to cut them in equal size and then have to make it. Second is dyeing. We can see that generally the color of the sheep is black, white, and brown. We have to make the wool colorful according to the need of the market and demand. According to the need and market and the demand, we have to make it dye. After a dye, we have to change the color of the wool according to the demand of the market. Second is combing. After that, we have to color. We have to make it comb with the help of iron teeth, because it is going to clumsy, and we have to make a straight line, straight in the form, which help us to make in straight way to keep it for the help in spinning. Now the final term is spinning. Spinning is used for making the woolen fiber into the fabric. It's help the fabric, or we can call the thread converted into the fabric. It helps to make the, after the combing, it's help to twist the fabric into the it helps the fiber into twisting, and after that it became the thread converted into the fabric. Now let's once we will revise it. First is ashearing. Ashearing is the cutting of wool which have the full of bulk of the wool of the animal. After assuring is cleaning. Third is sorting. We have to make a same size for using the particular or making a good making the wool items. Third is dyeing, to change the color, because the color of the sheep is generally black, white and brown. We have to make according to choice of the color which we want. Third is combing, to make, because after doing this step they will become clumsy, and for that we have to comb with the iron teeth, which is helpful in spinning, and spinning helps us to make the fiber into fabric. Thank you.